After this lesson, you will actually find it easier to deal with exponents, because I will show you the exponent rules, and it is quite easy. Let's take the first one, for instance, the first example. So x raised to the power 2 multiplying x raised to the power 3. Now, when we go back to indices, we have a rule that says that a raised to the power x, for instance, multiplying another a raised to the power, let's say y. This will give us a raised to the power x plus y, right? So here we can say that x raised to the power 2 times x raised to the power 3 is the same as x raised to the power 2 plus 3, right? And this will give us x raised to the power 5. Really easy, right? Okay. Now let's take the second one. Let's take the second example. Okay. Let's take the second example. So the second example, which is x raised to the power 2, then we have 3 here. So with this, we can actually go back to the laws of indices again. And let's say if you have a raised to the power x, right, or in a bracket, then raised to the power what? Let's say y, right? This is the same as a raised to the power x times y, and this is the same as a raised to the power x y, right? So if we say that here, if we want to translate that onto this, it will be x raised to the power 2 times 3, right? And this give us x raised to the power 6. That is your final answer. Okay. Now let's go to the third one, which is quite confusing to some people. The third one, we say is, for example, x is the power 2, and that power raised to the power another power 3, right? Okay. Now, with this, we know that even applying common sense can actually tell you that the 2, right, have to be dealt with the 2 raised to the power 3. So it's supposed to be like 2 raised to the power 3. It's supposed to be 2 times 2 times 2, which will give you 8. And then after you've gotten this, you substitute into the equation. But let me write it in this form for you to understand. So let's say, for example, you have a raised to the power, let's say x, right? And then the x raised to the power what? Let's say 3, right? This shows that you have a raised to the power x, right, times a raised to the power x times a raised to the power x. You understand? So this means that when we want to add, it will be a raised to the power this plus this plus this, right? So it's just the same with this, but in order not to confuse you, let's just go straight away and say that these 2 here, right, these 2 raised to the power 3, we work with it first to get 8, and then we substitute, so it will become x raised to the power 8, right? And that is your final answer. Quite simple, right? Thank you for watching, and please, if you don't understand anything, let me know, and please subscribe. Bye bye.